Ciao ragazzi, oggi ascoltiamo il dialogo della Unit 7. It's better than a bike.
Verity. Hey, cool bike. Is it new? Yes, it is. It's the Trevally 300. It's the most recent model. Wow. How much was it? It was £275. I like it. It's better than my bike. What kind of bike have you got? I've got a really old bike, but I want to get the Inter 500. It's got all the newest technology. Is the Inter cheaper than the Trevally 300? No, it's more expensive. But it's faster, because it isn't as heavy as the Trevally 300. How much is the Inter 500? It's £350. Well, I think this bike is the best. I tried all the other ones in the shop, and this one was the easiest bike to ride. Really? Can I try? Sure, but be careful. Trust me, Ricky. I know what I'm doing.